10-second unboxing just to show you how light it is. This is the box it comes in. It comes packaged like this. You have the bench itself, 3 pins, instructions, and leg rest. You start by placing it upright and unfolding it like this. Hold on a sec, let me move this down so you can actually see what's going on. So there's a piece here that folds down. That's going to lock into these ridges, or whatever you want to call them, after you unfold the rest of the device like so. Then you put this pin with the black rubber top into the holes under the bum rest to secure that. Then this longer of the 2 other pins goes right under here. The purpose of this pin is to ensure that this piece over here doesn't move, even if this bar over here were to come unhinged somehow. Allow me to demonstrate. And now you take the leg piece and you simply unscrew the screw that's attached to it so that you can then put it in its rightful spot. You screw it in once it's in its rightful spot, and there you have it. You now have a fancy schmancy leg rest. Okay, well now you have it put together, but how do you actually put it away? Oh, I got you there too. So you want to start with removing all the pins, and that includes the leg rest. It's really important that you remove the leg rest, or you're just not going to be able to fold the device together. Once you've removed the pins and the leg rest, you fold this bar over, followed by the backrest, and then you're ready to set it upright and store it neatly. Now that you have it upright and ready to store, you can pretty much put it wherever you want. I chose to put it beside a TV. You can actually lay it flat and potentially put it under a couch or under a bed or wherever. This thing takes up next to no space. It is rated for up to 600 pounds of weight, and it's a very sturdy bench. I'm going to do a full review on this for you guys after using it for a few weeks. I'm really excited. And I can't wait to show you guys what this bench can do. So definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you're interested in seeing this thing in action. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.